If you're disciplined, consistent, doing all the right things in and outside of the gym, and your body still isn't changing the way you want, it's not because you need to try harder. Your body just stopped responding. Here's how we're gonna fix it. Majority of the women I work with are high achieving. They know how to push and be consistent, but they've also been stuck in a cycle of doing more, trying harder, then starting over, and they still don't feel at home in their own body. I've been there too. These are the 4 reasons as to why this is happening and what you can actually do about it. So number 1, you built discipline without safety. You learned how to push yourself through workouts, food, structure. Never was the problem, but no one actually taught you how to feel safe while doing it. So your body does not trust you. This is where you start. It's not a matter of doing less now. It's a matter of being in the moment and stop rushing everything that you're doing. Slowing your reps down, taking your time between sets. Let your body actually experience the work instead of just trying to plow through it and go on to the next thing. Number 2 is your training without direction. You can be consistent and still feel absolutely stuck if you're directionless, if your effort is going everywhere. Your body reflects everything it prioritizes. So if nothing stands out, everything is equal. What does that even mean? If you're jumping from machine to machine with no rhyme or reason, you're not gonna get significant results. Start being more intentional with your training. Put more emphasis on your lats, shoulders, and glutes consistently. This is how you create shape on purpose. It's not an accident. Number 3 is your body is more than likely holding stress. Don't confuse this with holding fat. It's holding stress. Start creating a different signal. Breathe properly during your lifts. Of course, brace your stomach, but stop doing it all day. Stop clenching your jaw. Stop hunching over. Be intentional. Number 4 is your habits are built off of extremes. This is the part where most women totally avoid. Because motivation was never the problem is actually consistency built on extremes. You're either totally on track, totally off track, totally all in, or totally burnt out. There's no middle ground ever. You're like a light switch, all on or all off. Instead of increasing your intensity like you've always tried and it's never worked, try raising your standards. Train 3 to 4 times a week. Eat like someone who takes care of herself and loves herself. And stop going all in on the weekends and resetting on Monday. When your body feels supported and your training has direction and your habits are actually consistent, not only are you going to lose the weight and keep it off, but you will build a body that actually reflects how you live. The whole point behind making a body transformation is also changing your identity. Give yourself permission to adopt these new habits and to do these things and to live this way, because that's who you are. So I'm not here to push you harder. I'm here to help you stop burning out. I'm here to give you permission to slow down, get present, and become this new version. So you may think you need more willpower, but you really just need a new way to do things that actually work for your body. If this hit, most women I work with aren't actually training their glutes properly because of subtle movement patterns no one's correcting. So if you're not feeling your workouts entirely, you're not seeing results, and you're not feeling it in your glutes, I actually put together a free 30-day reset where I walk you through exactly how to fix your squat, your specific movement patterns and imbalances to feel your glutes actually working and finally start changing your shape and growing your booty. It's linked below.